The key to any successful sewing is a solid foundation. To start, we'll be creating a neat flat cornrows to ensure the weave lies smoothly and looks seamless. First, pat the hair down the middle to establish your middle part. This step is crucial, especially if you want that natural hair flip look. No visible tracks. Next, braid the hair into small medium-sized cornrows, going straight back. The size of your braids depends on the density of the hair and the thickness of the weave you're installing. Be sure to braid tightly but comfortably. This prevents slippage while ensuring your client's comfort. A great tip here is to apply a little edge control. That's if you want, but I didn't use it. I did it like that. Don't forget to secure your loose ends at the back. That's after weaving. Okay, so now welcome to today's tutorial on how to achieve a simple sewing weave with a middle part hair flip that looks just like your natural hair. If you're a beginner learning to braid, a hairstylist looking for new techniques, or someone starting your hairdressing career, you're in the right place. Stick with me as we go step by step through creating a flawless natural looking style. Let's dive into the process, starting with the foundation cornrows. So don't forget to secure your loose ends at the back into a compact pattern. You can sew them down like I was weaving now. I was tucking it in. Doing it that way, it helps the back to be flat so that it will not be bulging. You make it like that, then there are remaining parts. You project it in or either sew it in. So now we start the style. First, you can use any needle of your choice, the curved needle or a straight needle like this one I'm using. I'm using a yen, that's a wool as my thread, but you can use any other thread that you have, but ensure that the thread is a strong one, something that is not going to be breaking along the way. Okay, now don't forget to secure your loose ends as I said earlier. Let's talk about choosing the right hair extension. How I chose my extension. You choose the extension that is closest to the color of the natural hair that you're making. You choose the extension that the color matches your color of hair, so it can blend very well. For beginners, body wave or straight textures work perfectly, but creating a middle part with a hair flip because they are versatile and easy to manage. Yeah, just pay close attention while I sew in. Then you will know the pattern and the way I passed it today. This is the best one. This is the best pattern for me. If you're sewing it like this, secures it more. Even if I'm not sewing anymore, it doesn't pull off. It stays in place just the way I kept it. So you just have to look the way I placed my hands while doing it. A pro tip: always make sure to wash and condition the hair. That's before you start. I don't want to go through that because the hair is going to last for some time, and because of the coverage, sometimes inside will be hot and the rest. So if you did not wash it properly before doing it, it's going to itch a lot and it might make your client take off the hair before they want to. Okay, so as you work your way up, make sure to space your tracks evenly. When you reach the middle part, as it is, leave enough room to lay the wefts flat along the sides of the part. This creates that natural scalp effect that makes the style look undetectable. If you're using a closure or frontal, now is the best time to install it. But for today's tutorial, we are focusing on the lever method. To achieve the hair flip look with a natural middle part, blending your lever is everything. Start by straightening or coiling that client's natural hair. Make sure it's straight enough. If your hair doesn't quite match the weave texture, don't worry. you can use a small amount of styling cream or gel to smooth it down, or even clipper to create texture matches the weave. Carefully comb the leaf out over the webs, ensuring the tracks are fully covered for a seamless finish. This is where attention to detail makes all the difference. And there you have it, a simple sewing weave with a middle part and hair flip that looks just like your own hair. But before you finish, don't forget the final touches. Use a bit of edge control to slick down the baby hair, that's if you have it. Then the shine serum, apply sparingly to add that salon finish. To maintain this style, I advise you wrap your hair in the night with a silk or satin scarf to protect the liver. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on how to create a simple sewing weave with a middle part hair flip. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly hair tutorials. Let me know in the comments what hairstyle you would like me to do next, or if you have any questions about the techniques we covered today. Until next time, keep practicing, stay creative, and happy styling.